Good morning. We are from second year CSC. We are team 4 and for SIP lab we chose the topic accident preventing automatic speed breaker and my teammates are Manaswini, Abhishek and Zenita, Swapnil and Soumya.
Good morning to all. I'm Avishkar and this is my project and I'm going to explain about this project. So in this project we have used LCD and two IR sensors, one car that will be the vehicle, any vehicle that trucks or two wheels, and the motors we have used for the braking system. So if the cars will first it will goes to the first sensor, like it will detect the initial position. This is the initial and this is the final. So if the car is going like this and it will sense the position of first sensor, then it moves to the second sensor, IR sensor. So it will detect the second point. So according to it, it will give the instruction to the computer and it will calculate the speed of the car. According to that, the speed breakers, it will come up this like this. It will flatten if the speed is normal speed. If the speed is above 15, then it will be coming up. And if the speed is over limit, it will come up. And if the normal speed will be, then it will be flattened. So like this procedure works.
Good afternoon, my name is Zenita and as I previously introduced, the topic for our project is automated speed breaker to prevent accidents, and in this video we will cover the topics project objective, existing features or solutions, identification of problem, that is the problem statement, gaps in existing solutions and required materials. So the main objective of our project from the title, it says that it is to prevent accidents. India's crime rate increases daily and subsequently its death rate due to high speed accidents. These mostly occur during schooling areas due to the excessive traffic jam and near speedways. So our project ensures that when a overspeeding and a heavy vehicle is passing by, the speed breaker opens up to ensure that the vehicle slows down. And when a vehicle with regular speed at a normal constant speed is passing by, it remains closed and lets it pass by. So this project is mainly useful on roads and the material we've used for is hard plastic. So there are many different existing solutions such as the blind speed detector. This is implemented on the mirror of a rear view of the car. So when a car is switching lanes, when two cars are switching lanes, it causes to have a disruption. So this involves an accident. So to prevent that, the rearview mirror has a tiny audible speaker type machine which starts blinking when there's another car crossing the lane. An automatic speed breaker. This mainly is used when two cars collide. This helps in automatically preventing the accident by accepting the brakes as it is automated. So as you can see, this is a working business model. So this is the LCD monitor which is used to display the speed of the vehicle, and these are two IR sensors for detecting the speed of the vehicle and the vehicle, which are connected to the Arduino with the breadboard. This one detects the speed and is connected to the 5-volt one on the positive and negative terminals of the 6 and 7. So when a car passes by, if it is a slow speed car, it simply passes over, but if it is a high speed car, the breaker races. So when the two vehicles collide, it automatically applies the brake, so it is reduced. And as you can see, this is the software model of the project and these are the various components used. So this mainly helps in preventing accidents in schooling areas. And the other solution is the cloud detector, which automatically slows down the vehicle. This also helps in detection of the speed of the upcoming vehicle and it slows down its own motors. And now my teammates are going to explain the following on the topic.
Good morning, everyone. The applications of this project are used in national highways and nearby colleges. Here, the project is applied only in Moscow, but it is failed. The gaps in existing solutions are: it is applicable for only one vehicle. It can't sense the vehicles which are coming more than one vehicle. and it is difficult to control which are not in the line of sight. Line of sight because it is the distance between the observer and the target. Here, because the vehicle it will suddenly it comes at a time, it is difficult to sense the motor. So it is the speed breaker we may not lift up, so accidents may happen. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am from Team 4. Now I am going to say about objective and the requirement analysis. The main objective of this project is it is used to prevent the accidents. Nowadays we see many accidents in our areas. To prevent this we are using this automatic accident speed breaker, and the requirement analysis are Arduino UNO. It is used to Arduino UNO, it is an open source for the programming in this project, and LCD it is liquid crystal display. It is used to display the speed, and IR sensor it is used to detect the objects which are coming with what speed. And next to resistors, it is the connecting device. Breadboard it is used to connect the wires, and LCD it is used to display the speed of the speed breaker, and resistors it is the flow of opposite current.
Now I am going to explain about problem statement. Our problem statement is to prevent the accident. We worked on this automatic speed breaker. Our main aim is to prevent accidents which are occurring due to school children, the students who goes to college, and people in our day-to-day life. We are without taking we are